Right guys, welcome back to episode 2 of rebuilding my fitness during lockdown. So last week I did end up running 5k. On the last one I did 3 runs, and on the last one I've managed 5k in about 28 minutes, I want to say, which isn't bad, especially since I've actually never properly ran a 5k before. Like, I do a lot of tests, I do a lot of running in that, but I've never like just gone flat out 5k, so I was pretty impressed with that. Looking to get it down this week, but instead of talking after each run, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do like a very quick review. I'm going to do 3 runs this week, so I'll do my intro now. I'm just about to go on my first one, and then I'll try and record a bit of it, but it does, like, obviously it's going to knock my time down if I get my phone out, go on video. Not by much, but it does make a difference, so I'm not going to do it too much. So just a few clips here and there, and then yeah, do a second run some point during the week. I do my third one later on during the week. Then after the third run, I'll talk about, like, I'll give all my times and that, and like see if I've improved, and we'll have a quick discussion. And then yeah, and then the same the week after, hopefully. So you'll have to let me know if you prefer these shorter videos, because they are going to be considerably shorter. So, but if you do want to see like more of a certain thing, then just, as I said, just drop it in the comments below. But nonetheless, it's cold. It snowed, not too much though, so yeah, I fell over last time as well, but I forgot to record that, so I do apologise. But yeah, look forward to giving you guys my stats. Let's see if we can get it under that 28 mark this week. Alright guys, so run number 1 of week 2 it is. Let's see how we do, see if we can get that 28 mark. Okay guys, so just on the first one of the week. It is Tuesday morning, it's like near 12 o'clock now, and yeah, so naturally it's not going to be as fast as I could potentially go, because I'm getting my phone out and recording. Like, I'm going to see if I can get a strap or something that I can just like put onto my arm and my chest, it can record like it for you, but I don't know how that's going to be possible. But like I said, like, it's pointless me just like reviewing it. I want to show you guys actually where I'm running, else it's pretty boring just me talking all the time. And but yeah, today we got 26 minutes 59 seconds, so just under 27 minutes, so I think that's like over a minute, like under a minute what my time was before. So really good start to the week. Might go for another run tomorrow or Thursday, see if we can beat that, and then yeah, so good start to the week. I can say for sure that this morning I've never felt less motivated to go running in my life. Probably because it's the earliest I'll be running. I mean, it's like 8 AM, so it's not that early, but it's early for me, trust me. See, I'm yawning already. 5k, obviously, so let's see how we do. As I said, can't really get much actual running in there, because, like, on the video, because I want to try and beat my time, but I mean, I'll just include like a snippet from each run. I think that's how I'll do it, just so you guys can see something other than me talking. But yeah, let's see if we can beat this time today and bring it. Bro, it's going to be so cold. I think it's raining as well, so yeah, nice. I actually lost the words, but run number 2 done. I did beat my time again by about 5 seconds, so I think it was about 26 minutes 54 seconds. I had a really good start, but then I'm not even going to make excuses, but it's mainly on the running track that I slowed down for some reason. It's just like, it's quite repetitive because you're looking at like the same kind of type of floor every time, so you're just like, oh. So I think that's where I'm going my slowest, so I need to try and not shut up. But I think at the start I was going to be on for about 25 minutes, so I was quite happy with that. But then obviously you pace shots off a little bit. I think I did start a little bit too fast at the start as well, so that's my fault. But nonetheless, beat my time. It's soaking wet, I'm soaking wet. But but it feels good once you've done it. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then our last one of the week is going to be on, I don't know, maybe Saturday or Sunday, one of those. And then yeah, hopefully I can beat my time again, but I can feel myself getting better already, which is the main thing. So yeah, see you guys then. Okay guys, run number 3 of the week. I had a few rest days, so I should be okay, but at the same time, very tired. Had a late night of Warzone, so we'll see how this goes. So we're looking to get near towards that sub 26 mark now, but I mean, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully get off to a good start and finish the week on a high, hopefully. See if we can beat my time again. Let's go guys. So last time I got 26 minutes 56, I think, roughly that. Knocked it down by a full 50 seconds, so nearly a minute, and 26 minutes 6 seconds. So very impressed. Didn't know I managed to knock the whole 50 seconds off, but I'm like extremely tired now, so I guess I pushed myself a bit harder towards the end than I usually would. But yeah, very happy with that. So I'll do a summary of what I've got this week. Of course, that's the fastest time yet, so finishing the week on a high note, love to see it. But yeah, I'll do another one of these in a few weeks. Probably won't do the weekly because I imagine they will get a bit boring, but just to keep you guys updated on how low I'm getting with my tie. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.